Hello aspirants, welcome to Ekam Academy. Today we are going to discuss about an important national mission with respect to coastal environment which is announced recently by Ministry of Environment in Lok Sabha. So what is this mission and how it is going to help us in protecting the coastal communities from the vagaries of climate change? Let us discuss in a quick and informative way. Before that, we have an important announcement regarding TSPSC Group 1 mains test series which is about to start from 9th of August. So here you are going to practice 600 plus questions before the examination, which will definitely give an edge over others, right? So you will be writing almost daily tests of 59, 12 sectional tests, 6 essay tests as well as 5 revision tests and 1 mega grant test. And whatever the copies you have written, that will be evaluated and given back within 3 working days, and detailed explanation also will be given within like after the test itself, right? So there is also an announcement regarding essay and ethics module under Oberoi sir guidance. So this will definitely help you in dealing with different dimensions of essay and how to enrich your answers, and especially in essay and all. So this will be covered in 30 plus hours. This will definitely help you. If you want any other information regarding these 2 courses, you can contact on the number displayed, right? So first thing, what are we discussing? We are discussing about national mission. Okay, so this is with respect to coastal mission scheme. Okay, so recently the Ministry of Environment has announced about this particular mission in the Lok Sabha. So this is a context. Now let us understand what is the main objective of this mission. So this mission was actually launched in the year 2014, right? So this mission was launched in the year 2014. Then what is the main objective? You know, recently because of climate change, right? So when we have climate change, so there will be glacier melting because of increase in the temperatures. Glacier melting happens when there is a glacier melting, that will increase the sea level, right? So when sea level increases, what generally happens? So coastal communities, okay, so sea level rises and coastal communities suffer from inundation or floods, right? So this is a main problem. Floods, or even indirectly that may increase the frequency of tsunamis and cyclones also, right? So these may be the common problems which we generally come across. So as we know, the climate change is going to show its all impact majorly on island countries or the coastal areas. So we need to be prepared, right? So for that reason, we have launched this mission. Okay, so we have launched this mission in 2014. So who is actually having the implementation responsibility here means whoever all the coastal states or union territories that are there, that particular governments have to take the responsibility of implementation of this mission. So what are the main things which they have to take care? They need to ensure that they are having capacity building, or you can say they need to ensure that they're following sustainable development. Okay, so proper management of coastal communities. Okay, so management, capacity building, okay, then creating awareness, ensuring there is research and development towards the protection of coastal communities, and also they need to ensure that there is proper technology which is leveraging this idea of sustainable development. Okay, in all these aspects there will be focus so that this mission will try to achieve the objectives which it has been launched for. Okay, so then next we need to understand what is this national action plan on climate change. This was actually launched, okay, whatever the national coastal mission we have seen, that was launched as part of National Coastal Management Program. This program was actually launched in the context of National Action Plan on Climate Change. So when this was a larger, broader theme, you can say, this was launched in the year 2008. Okay, so to fight against climate change, we have launched this particular scheme. So what is the main objective here? To fight against climate change, it has included 8 sub-plans in it. Okay, so 8 sub-plans, like for in the sense we have solar mission, we have green India mission, we have water mission, there is a mission for dedicated Himalayan ecosystems. We also have a strategic mission to fight against climate change. To increase sustainability in agriculture, we have a mission. We also have a coastal mission, we have energy efficiency mission. Like this, we have 8 submissions under National Action Plan for Climate Change. So this is also incorporating the coastal mission in it. So this is a broader theme in which we are trying to cover different dimensions which are mainly, again, susceptible to the impact of climate change. So right, this is a broader thing. Then let us say the practice question, which of the following characteristics mangroves have generally? Okay, so you know, when we come across the climate change or all the impacts of climate change, so we need to remember about the coastal belts also. That is what mangroves we call, because if there is a cyclone or tsunami also, this mangroves are acting like a shelter belt for the coastal communities. In that context, this question was given. So what is the main feature of mangroves? Try to put your answer on the comment section, right? Then As we have reached the end of the video, today we have discussed about a dedicated coastal mission which was launched as part of National Action Plan on Climate Change. So what is this main mission about? What is its objective? And what are all the 8 submissions under this mission? We have discussed in a quick and informative way. If you like the video, let us know in the comment section. Thanks for joining us. See you again.